Tired of hanging out indoors with your barkada in Dumaguete? Well, it's time to level up your bonding moments by playing golf at the newest 18-hole mini golf course dito sa Mad Monkey Dumaguete. Kung magkano ang kanilang package, tara! Pag-usapan natin yan. Mayang adlaw, this is JPerpetualKid at tara! Let's explore Dumaguete. Mad Golf at Mad Monkey Dumaguete is located in Amigo Street, Barangay Piapi, Dumaguete City. Meron silang Mad Golf Special Package for only 499 pesos, good for 4 guests. Kasama na dito ang 1 round ng 18-hole Mad Golf, meaning all of you got to play per hole until matapos ang 18 holes. At pag natapos kayo, treat yourself with one pizza of your choice and a pitcher of refreshing juice. Yep, kasama po ito sa inyong binayaran na Mad Golf Special Package. However, if solo ka lang and you want time for yourself, just pay 150 pesos for 1 round of 18-hole Mad Golf. Discounted rate of 100 pesos is granted for students, PWDs, and senior citizens. For more details, please contact their official Facebook page. Again, this is JPerpetualKid at tara na't maglaro ng golf with your barkada dito sa Mad Golf ng Mad Monkey Dumaguete. Hanggang sa susunod na biyahe, ayo!
See you again at Mad Monkey Dumaguete.